all chemistry. So in this video I will discuss about Reform-Matsky reaction. Reform-Matsky reactions is a part of carbonyl chemistry. So so in this video carbonyl group reactions of carbonyl group I will discuss about. So let's get started. Let's see. Now substrate should be a carbonyl compound and of alpha haloester. Let's see here. So look, this is the carbonyl compound and this is the alpha haloester. Here alpha haloester means here carbon, here is the ester CO2 ET, and here is R double prime, here is hydrogen and here is bromine. This bromine is alpha with respect to the ester group. This is the ester group and this is the alpha position. So this bromine is alpha with respect to the ester group. So this is the alpha haloester. Now this alpha haloester will react in presence of zinc and ether. Then in presence of zinc and ether it will form an intermediate. In that intermediate it will form this compound. Here OZ and Br forms, two carbon are attached and here is CO2 ester. Now in next step, by hydrolysis by H3O plus and this alpha beta, this is alpha with respect to ester, this is beta. So beta hydroxy ester will form. Now another point which I would like to tell you that this instead of this carbonyl compound we can use a cyanide compound also. Means here substrate can be RCN, this cyanide, and this cyanide can also be react with a alpha haloester CO2 ET, and it will also form same type of intermediate CO2 ET, this, and see instead of OZN-Br it will form NZN-Br in the intermediate, and then by hydrolysis it will form beta ketoester. By hydrolysis of this part ketone group will come and it will form CO2 ET and C double bond OR, means it is beta ketoester. So we can use a cyanide compound too. This will be the similar reaction. Okay, let's see the reaction mechanism. Let's see the mechanism of the reaction. So in the mechanism, what happens? In the mechanism, there is at first we have to take the haloester compound bromine C R2 CO2 ET alpha haloester compound. Then it will react with zinc in ether medium. Now this bromine and this is zinc, and zinc is a metal with a high electron density, so it has a tendency that it can attach with zinc like a organometallic formation of organometallic compound, means it will form a zinc bromide compound, means bromine R2 hydrogen CO2 ET with zinc, formation of zinc bromide compound. Now in that zinc bromide compound, In that zinc bromide compound, actually this bond is like zinc is a metal and delta positive delta positive charge is there and delta negative is there. So I can write that zinc and carbon bond is like, I can write it like, here is a positive and here is a negative charge. So now this compound will go to further ketoenol tautomerism, means this, and it will form zinc bromide enolate. Zinc bromide enolate is like, it was bromine, zinc, C double bond O, OET, R double prime, and enolate forms. So this O negative now captures this ZnBr and it will form CH O ZnBr OET R double prime. This is it. Now this OZN bond also is an ionic type of bond, means here positive charge and here negative charge can be assigned. So now the reaction will be like through this carbon, means this bond will rotate this through this side, it will attack to another ketocarbonyl, means the reaction mechanism is like, here is the organo zinc compound. Here is another keto compound. Now reaction will be like, in keto compound this is delta positive and this is delta negative. So this oxygen center will capture the positive zinc center and this negative charge will come this side, and through this carbon, this carbonyl carbon will be attacked, and here the formed intermediate will be O Zn Br R prime R. Now this OZn Br by hydrolysis will form OCH R double prime C O negative Zn Br positive R and R prime. By hydrolysis it will form OH here, and this OH is beta to the ester group. This is the ester group, this is its alpha position and this is beta. So this is beta hydroxy ester, which is the ultimate product of Reformatsky reaction. This is the ultimate product, this beta hydroxy ester compound. Okay. So this was the basic of Reformatsky reaction, and this type of reaction can also be happen for cyanide compound, as I show you. Okay, here is another tendency of the beta hydroxy compound is that this beta hydroxy compound can go to dehydration and can form C double bond C or double prime CO2 ET R prime and R. This type of dehydration can occur, and alpha beta unsaturated product, alpha beta unsaturated ester can be formed. That organo-zinc compounds are more reactive than organo-magnesium compound. This is for organo-zinc bromides, actually less reactive than Grignard reagent. This is for information. So there is a drawback of Reformatsky reaction. What is it? This is drawback is like here is that bromoester and here is another bromoester, means here is two bromoester and zinc, so it can form CH2Br C O negative, ZnBr positive, OET, CH2CO2 ET, means two ester, alpha halo ester can be combined and this can be formed, and the next step this OET will comes out, means the whole reaction is like there is two alpha halo ester is there, and these two alpha halo ester, one will form ZnBr CH2 CO2 ET, and another is like bromine CH2 C double bond OT. Now this so this can form like this is one type of self condensation, and this will form, and these two carbon will be attached, and here O negative will form, and this O negative will form O ZnBr, and this will not be there. And now in the next step, this O ZnBr, this bond will break and OET will goes out, and ultimately condensation of two ester group will occur and beta ketoester will form. So this is the drawback of Reformatsky reaction. So in this video I have discussed about Reformatsky reaction, its basic mechanism and its drawback. There is a link given in the description box. The link is of my blog, and where I discuss some question related to Reformatsky reaction. And if you want to know more about daily life chemistry or something, discussion of questions answers are there in my blog, so please go to the description box and go to the link is given there. And for this video, this is it, and thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.